Welcome back to the moving vlogs. I just woke up a little bit ago. I made myself some avocado toast because I got fresh bread. Finally, I have been waiting to have fresh bread in this apartment. Am I being dramatic about all of my first things? Absolutely. I feel like every day since moving in, there's been moments where I'm like, this is my first time opening the pantry. This is my first time crying. I'm so happy to vlog today. I feel like I haven't vlogged in so long. I know it doesn't feel like that for you guys watching. I got so ahead on moving vlogs that everything that I posted on YouTube was so behind. If you've been following me on Instagram, you've been very up to date because everything that I post on Instagram is in real time and the vlogs have just been so behind. Definitely need to take these off. I'm just scared how I look without these right now. Anyway, I'm vlogging today, which brings me so much happiness because it just makes me feel close to you guys, and I'm so happy you all have been loving the moving vlogs. Yesterday was the 2-week mark of moving in, and I wasn't even here for a whole week because my sister was visiting, so it's just crazy. Everything is starting to come together. There's so many updates we need to talk about. I have been quite the busy bee working on this apartment. I have built so much furniture. Let's actually rewind a little bit because in the past few days I have built many things. Okay, here's the last looks of my bed on the ground. It's been a lovely 4 or 5 nights of sleeping like this, and I honestly didn't even mind it. It was quite comfortable, but this is the last look. We are finally going to have a bed frame. It is kind of my first actual piece of furniture that I didn't bring from home, that I bought. This is the first delivery in the new apartment, and it's one of the most important pieces, so I'm very excited. I am now going to attempt to lift my queen mattress that is extremely heavy and fold it that way. Ooh! Oh! Ah! I left all of this room so that I can build the bed. I hope that it's not too hard because I don't feel like putting in hard work today. But we'll see. I am just so happy to finally be having a bed, get this whole room situated, start making it feel more like an actual bedroom. And just like that, I have a bed. Drop off was very seamless, very easy. I feel like I'm gonna regret starting this now, but I'm going to start this now. Oh boy. I didn't think I was going to want to set up this bed because I literally just woke up 20 minutes ago. But here are all the pieces. I have the sudden urge to build, put my building hat on, not literally, and tackle this. At least tackle some of it, maybe get the frame going. I have to see what the directions say. But I think I'm gonna start now. This is what I'd like to call innovation that excites. I very well could have waited for Connor to help me, but I do not need a man to help me build things most of the time. I needed to lift the bed frame off of the ground so that I could start putting these legs on, but obviously it was really hard to do with just one person. So I grabbed boxes that came with the bed frame and I placed them to raise the bed frame so I don't need someone to do it for me. So I feel like my dad would be very proud of me right now. this by myself.
It is. Yes. Oh. Baby, it's bleeding. Baby, baby, come on, baby, it's bleeding.
It's not bleeding. I have done it. Here is the bed. Now it's time to put the mattress on it. Oh my gosh.
That's perfect.
Wow. This is so nice. Here she is. I have never been so excited. I honestly didn't even realize when I ordered this that it kind of looks like a floating bed. I think they call this a platform bed because you can't really see the legs, which I think is really cool. I'm so happy with it. I'm really happy with the height. I love the color of the wood. It's so pretty. This is really good. Today's actually a very big furniture day. I'm on my way to pick up a dining table that I ordered through Ship to Hawaii. It is very inconvenient living in the middle of the ocean because so many furniture places and stores just don't ship here. So there's this service called Ship to Hawaii. You ship it to them and then they ship it here. So I'm going to their warehouse to pick it up. I've never used their service before, so I'm crossing my fingers that everything's okay. I ordered the dining table from West Elm. It wouldn't ship here, so that's why I'm using them. And the best part is that I have no idea if this dining table is gonna fit in my car. So I don't know. We're about to find out though. So she did not fit in my car. I'm gonna have to come back with a truck, which is fine. It's just, oh, it's gonna be so out of the way.
How are you gonna get that up
that.
your elevator?
The dining table is here. I am so happy. I went back today with the truck to pick it up. This thing is honestly pretty big. The table itself is 48 inches, so I'm gonna build that now. I actually built the dining chairs. That's what you're sitting on right now, and they are so cute. I just got 2 for now. It's the matching chairs for this table, which is very exciting. So once I do this, I will finally have somewhere to sit other than the floor and my bed. So let's build this. Did it. My back is so sore. I'm sweating. My thighs are sweating, my calves are sweating, my shins are sweating. But I did it. Oh my gosh. Ah! Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. This is so crazy. Oh my gosh. It looks so good. Wow, here she is. I am so obsessed. It looks so good. I feel like it fits in the space super perfectly. I don't know if I want to get another set of chairs. It would have been awesome if they came as sets of 1, but they only came in a pair. So ideally there'd be a 3rd one right here, but I don't think I need 4. I am so proud of myself. I'm so out of breath. That was literally insane to put together. Doesn't look like it'd be, but that intricate underneath part was so hard to figure out. I'm so happy. It was so worth it. I have to break down these boxes now, which is the worst part about all of the furniture building, but definitely worth it. I can't believe I have a dining table. That is so weird. I feel like I should do an official sit test. This looks so good. It's kind of like an island too in its own way. There's still plenty of room for me to move about. Let's try and sit. This is amazing. So moving back to today, I'm very proud of all the apartment progress. It's very, very satisfying, but today we are tackling the bathroom. This is what it currently looks like. It's not that bad. I just haven't really organized everything, and there's still so many boxes and things that I need to put away. So that's the mission for today. This stuff has been sitting here for so long. I got all these organizers off of Amazon. I will link them down below. A lot of great stuff that I'm gonna use for the bathroom. Little organization haul. I got this cute little storage box. I actually got one for the guest bathroom bathroom too in pink. Not quite sure what I'm gonna put in here yet, but I thought it'd be quite useful. I also got contact paper, which I feel like would be good to line the drawers with, just because if anything spills. I'm really not trying to be charged at the end of my lease for any damages, so I feel like this would be good to protect in case any skincare or makeup spills. Gotta say, I was a little bamboozled by these little organizer crates that I got. They said they were small. I didn't think they meant the size of my literal hands. These are so tiny. So small. They're honestly really cute. I used one of these to organize my bars in the pantry. Didn't fit that well. I don't know what I'm gonna put in here. They're cute colors though, so we're keeping them. And I got the bigger version. And this is what it's gonna look like. I feel like this would be good for under the counter to organize stuff. So we have that. And lastly, this is the true mother load. What I'm most excited for, it is a drawer organizer set. Make your drawers look neat and organized. So it comes with a ton of these organizers. This will definitely be put to good use. Not gonna lie, I'm a little triggered by scissors right now. My finger is still throbbing. Anyway, I grabbed the most dull scissors I could find because I just am freaked out. We are going to work on the contact paper. I've never done this before, so I don't really know how this works. I'm just gonna kind of measure it. It's definitely not going to be perfect, but it's gonna be good enough, and that's okay with me. Currently, I am setting up these little organizers. It came with this pack of stickies and little places to put them so that it doesn't slide around in your drawers, which I think is so convenient. I definitely think I'm gonna like this just because I hate when you open your drawers and things slide around. So this is gonna be perfect. This is what it looks like. I have to do it for every single one and there's so many pieces, but I'm almost done. One thing I will say about this phase of adulting is that organizing is exciting. I've kind of always been that way. I always love organizing and having things looking nice and clean and neat, but tell me why I'm having a great time. I don't know. I have just finished putting stickies on the bottom of literally every single one of these. I'm not sure how I want to organize these yet, just because I feel like I'm gonna need different sizes for different things, but I'm gonna get started. I'm so excited. The bathroom is looking extra messy now, but by the end of this, the opposite, I hope. I just broke this. I've never opened it. Okay, I will not be linking this down below. 2 hours of organizing, cleaning up, making everything neat. Here is my finished bathroom. I feel like it still looks pretty plain in here. There's nothing too crazy going on, but that's how I like it. I have had stuff on the floor since I've moved in. Nothing has been organized, so I am so happy. I ended up having so many extras of the organizers that I bought, so I put them in the guest bathroom. I don't really have anything to put in there yet. I feel like I'll probably just end up putting PR and I'll organize it in there for people whenever they visit. They can take PR stuff if they want. I'm done organizing my bathroom. How satisfying is that? There's still a lot to be done with this apartment. I still have to decorate. I'm still waiting for most of my furniture pieces to come, but I'm feeling good. I feel like I'm gonna try my absolute hardest to keep it like this, because if it can stay neat, minimal, this would make me extremely happy. So that's the goal, obviously. You probably also noticed, but I put my leaning ladder shelf in my bedroom. I originally thought I was gonna put it in my office, but I feel like it was kind of getting crowded in there, and it kind of looks good in this corner once I add little decorations and it has stuff on it. I feel like it would look really cute. It also covers the electrical box a little bit, and I think it looks really good right there. Little update on the dining table. I am absolutely obsessed with it. It looks so good. I really actually like how the two chairs look. How I had it arranged before, it kind of looked weird, but now that they're across from each other, I think it looks really, really good. I'm hoping that this lily comes back to life. I feel like it looks very droopy, but this is the dining room setup. I'm waiting for a fruit bowl that I got to get here so I can keep some fruit in it, and I'll probably keep the dining table pretty minimal, but I love, love, love it so much. It's still so weird to say that this is my dining table. It makes me very happy. I also am so proud of myself for building it all by myself. Definitely was so difficult to put together. Tell me why I'm already freaking out about the day when I move out one day in the way future that I have to take it apart and then put it back together. Ugh. I don't know why, I'm already anxious about taking it apart, and I've had it for 2 days, so there's a little insight into my mind. What else can I update you on? My finger gash is not thriving. I'm actually kind of freaking out. I don't know what to do.